that fun? Get up and bring it up and we'll do it again. Don't put that in your mouth, that icicle in your mouth, Clara. That was on my car and it's dirty. Can you say, what do you think about the snow? You like snow?
Yeah.
Is it super cool? Can you tell me about the snow?
No.
Ready to go again? Oh, you got stuck. Whoa, there you go. You gotta keep your butt off the ground.